Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to TK Rant Studio today. We have Sennheiser Momentum 3 True Wireless Noise Cancelling in-ear headphones, black. I'm excited to unbox and review it. Don't forget to subscribe for my future tech reviews and unboxings. Alright, let's talk specs. Sennheiser Momentum 3 Ultimate Listening Experience. Get the next generation earbuds that are inspired by music. Discover unrivaled high-fidelity sound. With our True Response technology, every detail. Listen to high-resolution wireless audio like never before. aptX Adaptive Codec makes you hear every detail. Your sound tailor the sound experience to your taste with a choice of presets and an intuitive equalizer feature. Interrupted by nothing. Experience adaptive noise cancellation that automatically adjusts to your environment. No distraction. Next generation adaptive noise cancellation automatically adjusts the level of noise cancelling. When the noise level in your environment changes, total awareness stay in touch with your surroundings and bring back the world at a touch with the transparency mode. Assisted by voice pickup. 3 advanced microphones on each earbud ensure absolute clarity. Absolute clarity. Talk with a crystal clear voice thanks to 3 noise-canceling microphones on each earbud. That makes sure people only hear you and not your surroundings. High-quality voice pickup from phone calls to voice assistant access. With our high-quality voice pickup, you have it all under control. Supported by ultimate comfort. Experience a tailor-made fit with a variety of earbud adapters and silicone fins. Any weather get out, go places. Exercise. Thanks to IPX for splash resistance, these earbuds can keep pace with your life under any circumstance. All day long. Keep on listening. You have 7 hours of battery life and 28 hours of overall playtime. When using the case to charge on the go, recharging the case is simple thanks to Qi wireless charging support. Frequency response 100 Hz to 10 kHz. Battery supply 77 milliamp hours. Battery supply charging case 850 to 950 mAh. Charging time approx 1.5 hours for full charge. After 10-minute charging, 1 hour's music playtime. Price $195. Link in the description if you guys want to pick up these headphones for yourself. That's it for the unboxing and review. If you liked this video, comment below and subscribe for future tech reviews.